I'm a breakfast person. I woke up that morning, no breakfast. And Terry was just pointing in the road. I'm like, we need to move. I'm like, no, god damn it. Food. Well, we're in Benue. We had a friend of ours, and brother, Nibiam Kwashi. And the mom invited us over. See, in Benue, when it comes to food, now you go wrong. Food on her, they cooked, pounded yam, apple, all kinds of soup, chicken, goats, whatever you name it. This was there. Like we went there and they put out a feast. And I told Terry, now your village people are doing well, because they know that I'm here, I'm the king, the Igbo king brother is here, so yeah.
Okay, so you can, thank you.
We met the second troop and I saw their stuff. I was like, I'm betting my money on these guys. And well, I get to tell you guys that story later, but first of all, don't gamble with David. You understand? Inside information too much. You just don't gamble. If David says let's gamble, he has won already. He's just waiting for you to, he's just waiting to collect your money.
He yam he lung shabo ko we to kwa he ila wola apa kuma nta za jong ye menyo iva to me se de ni be yai ma ne shin Lagos pa shin za nda ye ina temple yana me de yo polon sa ha anata kwa he ne ji wo de do Amagila ham te ga chu ko ti han ya ba man za den be ka kle ana kle ko te nye chi ga e mo ya fato fa ve da ko mama e higa ba ya se lo tan kwa na baba mama na ha ba se va ne ya e kwa shi na don tun yo o mama na ha ya ka bon da pam da to wa ko shin to hom ba gba so hachu mwe ya don pa iva